So hello guys, welcome to UniVoyage. I'm Shekhar and currently we are at IIM Indore. So I'm staying at SR 18, which means student residence 18. So it has about 70 rooms as per my knowledge, and today I'm going to give you a room tour of the same.
Hi, Rushil.
Oh, I can see Sanskar here skateboarding.
Hi. What are you
Hi
doing?
Sanskar, I'm just giving them a room tour.
Wait, is that the much awaited room tour that these guys have been waiting so long for?
Yes.
My room is right over here. Can we do it in my room?
Let's go.
Let's go. So guys, I have officially taken over the camera and there are a lot of people alongside Rushil. Rushil trying to skateboard and messing up, of course. So let's head to my room. And as we can see, this is my room. A few of my friends. This is the annex area where we actually usually study. As you can see, there are LAN ports over here so that we can connect to the internet and attend classes. After that, we head to the main area of the room, which is the bedroom. So as we can see, here I am. There are 3 almiras in the room, 1, 2, and the other one is right over there. And here is the bookshelf and another smaller cupboard, as you can see. It's a bit messy, I know. I don't like to arrange things. And here, the bedroom again. There are at least 3 tables in every room with 3 beds and LAN ports, and even the lighting here is so sufficient that, trust me, you don't need to bring an extra table light or something. Yeah, as you can see, here is the view from my room. Not great, but we work it out. And let's head to the restroom and the washroom. So here, I and my roommate have placed our essentials over here. Here is the showering room. Here's the tap. And last but not least, the toilet. It's a very decent space. Yeah, I forgot the balcony, so here you can hang out your clothes, let them dry, or you can just hang out with your friends. Whatever works for you. And yeah, about if you must have seen, there are only fans in the room. There's no AC because we actually don't need an AC. The weather is so awesome in here. And I think that's about it. My room's pretty decent and my friends' rooms are way creative than this. So let me show you some clips of those. I think these guys are jamming. This is how usually at 4 AM looks like. Let me show you the view from my room. It's a pretty view, trust me. You cannot get bored of this view. This is the prettiest thing there is. Okay, that was another one of my friends. And peace out, guys. Bye. एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर के जी लिए। एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 ना।